Larry Barnes wants to go to college, but doesn't have the money.
College is really expensive.
He heard about Job Corps.
Job Corps offers that free education.
And so now Larry's a student at the Turner Job Corps Center in Albany, Georgia. He's studying culinary arts.
Oh my gosh, it opened up so many doors, from work-based learning to being on the student government to building up my resume.
After graduation, Larry will use his culinary arts skills to save up for college, where he plans to study nutrition.
Job Corps is helping me with building my resume. They're sending me on internships to restaurants to help me gain that type of experience.
While he loves it, Job Corps hasn't been easy.
They train you really hard and waking up really early.
But Larry understands that his hard work will pay off. It's a principle he learned at home.
My parents has taught me that you have to make sacrifices to get what you want. Nothing is not going to come easy. And Job Corps is not going to, it's going to be hard and challenging because it's to adjust and to build you up. But to get that trade or to get that education, that money, you have to make sacrifices.